Heat transfer printing has become a versatile and affordable path for DIYers, small studios, and hobbyists to produce custom apparel, mugs, and other sublimation-compatible substrates. The category spans cartridge-free ink tanks, sublimation-capable printers, and beginner-friendly bundles that ship with starter inks and media.
Product number 1. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 sublimation printer is positioned as a dedicated sublimation device with integration to the Artspira design app. It supports printing via Wi-Fi, ships with CMYK sublimation ink and starter sublimation paper, and emphasizes quick color-ready output and reliability associated with the Brother brand. The inclusion of Artspira, which offers over 100 designs and the ability to convert images into poster-style drawings, suggests an intent to streamline design-to-print workflows for small batch or DIY projects. The device is sold for $429 and is intended for US sale at 120 volts, with a display screen and standard USB connectivity in addition to wireless options. In practice, the SP1 benefits from Brother's build quality and a straightforward app-centric workflow. However, the high upfront price relative to entry-level ecotank kits means its value hinges on design assets, print quality, and the perceived convenience of Artspira-generated content. With a maximum color print resolution of up to 1440 by 1440 dpi and a compact 17.38-pound chassis, it fits small studios or homemakers who want a dedicated sublimation printer without juggling multiple ink systems. The printer ships with CMYK sublimation ink and a starter paper pack, but users should consider heat press compatibility and the availability of compatible heat transfer media when planning larger runs.
Product number 2. Pinkney cartridge-free super tank printer with sublimation ink bundle for heat transfers. Pinkney's ET2800/ET2803 based sublimation setup is a cartridge-free ink tank system pitched for low running costs and broad media compatibility. It ships with sublimation ink bottles, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, and highlights easy fill functionality, a wide range of supported print sizes, up to 8.5 by 11 and beyond for some media, and high print resolution up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. The model emphasizes affordability through ink tank economics and simplified maintenance, along with a 1-year limited warranty and app-based control. In practice, the ET2800/ET2803 offers compelling long-term value for users who print frequently and want to avoid cartridge replacements. The high color depth and a 15.3-pound footprint make it suitable for small offices or studios that run sublimation projects across shirts and 4x6 or 5x7 media. Potential caveats include the lack of a dedicated color management ecosystem compared to Epson ecotank bundles, and the need for nozzle checks and regular maintenance to ensure pigment stability across sublimation inks. Product number 3. Epson ecotank ET2400 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free super tank printer with scan. The Epson ecotank ET2400 is a compact, cartridge-free all-in-one that emphasizes cost per page savings through its large ink tanks and high-yield bottles. It offers USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, a 2-year ink in box promise, and a rapid 7-second initial print time. While primarily an everyday home office printer, its dye-based DuraBrite print style and 5760 by 1440 dpi capability make it a strong baseline for non-sublimation testing and transfer prep, especially for light heat transfer substrates or pre-printed designs that are later heat transferred. In sublimation practice, the ET2400's strength lies in its ink tank economics and dependable performance, but you'll need a heat press and sublimation blanks to complete a transfer workflow. Its supported media sizes max out at 8.5 by 14 inches, And while it matches the 4,500-page black, 7,500 color yield figures for the replacement bottles, actual sublimation color accuracy depends on the specific sublimation inks used.
Product number 4. Epson ecotank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Super Tank Printer with Scan. The ET2800 sits as a mid-range ecotank model with a slightly larger feature set than the ET2400. It adds a color display and enhanced media compatibility, including a wider range of print sizes and an improved color depth. It's positioned as a practical home and small office solution with a 2-year warranty window when registered and Epson's micro piezo heat-free technology for sharp text and color prints. This model emphasizes expanded media flexibility, including 4x6 and 5x7 sheets, and an improved user interface via a color display. In terms of sublimation readiness, the ET2800 offers the same fundamental cartridge-free economics as the ET2400, but with broader media support and a more robust control experience via the on-device display and app. Heat transfer outcomes depend on using compatible sublimation inks and substrates, but the printer's reliability and long-term ink supply make it a solid base for beginners who want predictable ownership costs and straightforward operation.
Product number 5. Generic sublimation heat transfer image printing for t-shirts, ceramic mugs, bags, heat press printer bundle. This generic sublimation bundle includes a starter printer, sublimation paper, a cleaning kit, heat transfer tape, and OEM inks not included. It targets budget-conscious shoppers and aims to lower the initial barrier to entry for heat transfer projects by providing books, paper, and basic starter inks tailored for light color polyester items. The compact kit claims versatility across t-shirts, mugs, and other sublimation-ready substrates, making it a practical value option for hobbyists who want a complete starter package. In terms of performance, the generic bundle prioritizes affordability and broad project scope, but the lack of brand-level quality control and uncertain ink compatibility may require more experimentation. The printing specs and exact ink volumes are not clearly defined in the provided data, which can complicate long-term planning for color accuracy and wash durability. It's best suited for beginners who want to test ideas quickly and upgrade to a more robust system as needed.